This is how I'm about to go expose myself to the world. Like this. Glossy lips, juicy bantu knots, light mascara, necklace, Hopper Ray accessories, earrings, Forever 21, shirt, Zara, little camo in there. All right, y'all. So y'all, I went ahead and I put about 16 or 17 bantu knots in my hair. I have not done these in forever, so I'm super excited to see how they turn out. And let me tell y'all what I used and how I used it, because I had to try to figure it out real quick. So of course I started by washing my hair with the Papaya Castor scalp cleanser. This bottle is 12 fluid ounces, and it says that it's a gentle cleanser to exfoliate and nourish the hair and scalp, removes dirt buildup, balances hair and scalp pH. My initial thoughts when I was using is that, okay, it smells super good, but I could not lather how I usually would. But I definitely will have to say my scalp did get cleansed. My dandruff was gone, and I will have to give this, you know, a A. Only reason it wouldn't get an A+ is because I have a light film over my hair that I really not too fond of, but it still got the job done. So then I used a scalp massaging serum. Of course, it's part of the Papaya Castor line as well. I went ahead and first did 4 big sections of my hair, and then I massaged my scalp just to do a quick, you know, spa scalp shower day type thing. But then I went ahead and I used the serum after I put my bantu knots in, hit all the parts, and did a quick little mini palm of my finger massage. So let's talk about what I used to style now. So then I had to debate on how did I want to do the hairdress and how did I want to do the curl jam. So what I figured out is that I wanted to do the hairdress to like kind of not lay my edges, but to shape or form my edges. And then I also used it at the ends of my hair to keep the ends stuck together so that it can wrap nicely. Then I used the curl jam in the middle of it. So I went ahead and swooped with the hairdress, and then I curl jam with still a little bit of hairdress on my fingers. I still put it on the strands, and then I also put more hairdress at the ends. But on top of that, I went ahead and I used the foam conditioner. I only used a little bit because I already have the film from the shampoo on my hair, or the cleanser. It's not a shampoo, I'm sorry. I already have the film from the cleanser on my hair. So then I went ahead and I used a little bit of the foam conditioner. You're not supposed to rinse this out at all, so that's why I went ahead and did it that way. And I would have to say that the foam conditioner definitely complements the scalp cleanser, because I can see before once I washed my hair, the hair was kind of dull, and then when I went in with this, it kind of brought a little bit more life to it. So I'll have to say this is needed. So all in all, y'all, I wanted to talk about the fragrance and the ingredients. So initially, once I opened it, I'm like, wow, this is like a tropical paradise, but it's so subtle. The smell is so good, and it really reminds me of springtime. I would definitely have to say they mastered the fragrance. As far as the bottles themselves, so the hairdress and the curl gem are both 8 ounces. It says know the facts, no mineral oils, no dyes, cruelty free, made in the USA. So the hairdress is a styling hair balm to nourish and strengthen the hair shaft, smooths hair cuticle, adds shine to dull hair. So you're supposed to use this by applying a small amount to the hair in style, which I kind of did. And then for the curl jam, it's the same ingredients, no mineral oils, no dyes, cruelty free. And then it says that this is a styling and conditioning moisturizing jelly for textured and or curly hair. I would definitely have to say it's not a jelly consistency, it's more a cream consistency. Then for the serum, this is 4 ounces with the nozzle, which is great for hitting those parts right on point. And this is to soothe the scalp using a vitamin blend of A, C, D, and E, which promotes hydrating and nourishing. And then we have the scalp cleanser, and then we have the foam conditioner. The conditioner is a sulfate free vitamin blend styling conditioner for softer and smoother hair. It reduces frizz. And then the scalp cleanser, we already know what that is, but these definitely complement each other. The fragrance of the line is great, the packaging is even better, and I'm super pumped to see how my hair is going to turn out. And let's dry. It's gonna take, I'm gonna let my hair dry for about a day and a half and just rock my bantu knots with some hoop earrings and some mascara and let y'all know how it turned out. Monday morning, I styled my hair Sunday morning-ish afternoon. So let's take it out. So this is just when I unravel them. They're so juicy. I really think the method I used with the hair just for the ends and at the beginnings really made a difference. Oh, I should have did like a bang. But I'm gonna pin this over here. Maybe I don't have enough hair over here. I might kind of, yeah, I think I'm just gonna have a lot of hair over here and then a little bit of hair over here. But I don't really want to fluff it out yet because it's only Monday. But I'm gonna take it apart, so yeah, I'm gonna try. So I tried to take my hair apart off camera. I do look like somebody's curly hair auntie, but I like it. The thing I don't like is that I didn't leave myself a lot of hair over here to play with. So, I mean, let me show you what the back looks like. And my hair is also still damp, so I can't really do a lot of taking apart, and my hair doesn't naturally separate how people say theirs does. So I don't know what it looks like back there. So But what I am gonna do is I'm going to kind of try to put some edge gel right here, and I'm gonna bobby pin this so this can stay on my face. And that's pretty much it. You still can see the detail. Only thing I would say is that I might have used a little bit too much hairdress because my hands are sticky, but it's also kind of like the same film that I felt after I finished using the scalp cleanser. So I'm just gonna do a little bobby pin like that. I always use these sandy brown bobby pins. I don't know why. I don't even have blonde in my hair anymore. So just gonna pin that, get that little style going. Then I'm gonna go in with the little edge gel and try to lay my edges. I am not one to be laying anything down except for a slick ponytail. That is it. That is all I can lay down is my ponytail. But I just felt like this was just here, you know? See that? That's why. You know, just pin it up. Go in with the handy dandy brush. And I'm gonna go in with another bobby pin on the side. Just to like do that so I can, yeah, it's just, anyway, when my hair get longer, this style will be popping. But until then, I still think it's cute. Yeah, I only see the little wave on my hair. What people be doing, like crossing their bobby pins to make a little style? Who come up with this stuff? But I'm about to do it, I don't know. It might hurt. Didn't really get an X, but. All right, y'all, so this is what the new Eden line does. It works wonder. I feel like I only try Bantu Nights with Eden because it's just so moisturizing. I do have my retainer in my mouth, so if I'm slurring or words don't sound how they usually sound, it's my retainer. But it's April 1st. Happy April Fools. Don't play any harsh jokes. Be careful. Stay woke. Peace.